to reach 50 is a fantastic honour and great achievement. I never thought I'd reach 50. To actually reach 50 now is, yeah, great honour. There's some players in the dressing room that will reach in and around that 100 mark, and for myself, if I was to ever reach that, wow, that'd be fantastic, because Neville Southall was an absolute hero to me and a fantastic goalkeeper. What a place to be in. Obviously we'll go to Cyprus, be a tough game. Thought they were very good last time, but we had a guy sent off after 40th minute or something, Andy King. But no, we're going there with great spirit, and hopefully we can do the business. We take every game, game by game. Like I'm saying, it's going to be 2 difficult games, so hopefully we can do the business out in Cyprus and then have a nice home game and hopefully beat them. Whenever we all meet together, there's a buzz around us now, and we want to go on and do well and do our country as proud as we can. Just our togetherness, everything about the whole team in general. You look around in the dressing room, there's some fantastic talent, still young talent as well. So I wouldn't be surprised if a lot of players there reach about 100 cap.